Hey, it's Living with Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would like for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, we're gonna make something a little bit more fun. It's summer and it's very hot outside, so if you don't have time to go and get ice cream but you have these ingredients in your house, make this ice cream at home and you will love it. So let's get going so I can show you how I achieved these three beautiful ice creams. For the vanilla ice cream, we need heavy cream, vanilla, and condensed milk. I love to have coconut flakes in my ice cream, so optional will be the coconut flakes. You don't have to, you just need these three ingredients. So let's get going. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and our condensed milk. So this is the consistency we want, very creamy. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna add my coconut flakes. So beautiful. So because I'm going to put another ice cream on this side, I'm going to move all this to one side. I'm going to put this into our freezer while I make the second ice cream. For the second flavor, like I said at the beginning, we're going to still start with our heavy cream, our condensed milk. This time I froze some fresh fruits. So I have here strawberries and raspberries. Add my fruits in my mixing cup. Next, the heavy cream. We're going to pour our blended fruit and whipping cream, adding half can of condensed milk. For our third option, we're gonna start with the whipping cream again, our condensed milk. This time we're going to be using some frozen blackberries. So in the same blending cup, we're going to add our whipping cream, our fruits, pour our blended blackberries, add our condensed milk, next we're gonna add these chopped blackberries. I'm gonna cover this with clear paper and let it freeze till tomorrow. You have to let it freeze at least 8 to 10 hours. So more than 24 hours later, this is what our ice cream looks like. So here it was the strawberry, and then here we have our vanilla ice cream and blackberries. So let's go ahead and serve.